The plan was to compare these two in Piccadilly Circus, but it's too busy. Can we go somewhere else? Let's go somewhere else. Hey, welcome to Java Hotel in Amsterdam. A quick comparison between these two. So this supports 4K hyperlapse and live streaming, and both of these supports voice commands, touchscreen, and can you record this underwater? Can you record sound underwater with these? Hey, let's find out. See, the action cameras are great, I understand that. You get a lot of difficult footages from a lot of different angles, but I think the market for this is shrinking. And here's why, because your phones are catching up. This is iPhone X, which is up to 1 meter waterproof, and the new iPhones are up to 10 meter waterproof, which kind of compares to this, right? So apart from YouTubers and apart from some very specific group, I don't see really a market for these things anymore. The stabilization is great, probably blows all the Chinese competitions out of the water, but I wouldn't really call it a gimbal killer. Here's some footages, judge by yourself. These are fundamentally different action cams. So the manufacturing of these two, black and white, is completely different. If you look at the close-up, it's got a screen, it doesn't have a screen, and this doesn't come with a replaceable battery, whereas this, it does. Also, if you look closely, the way you load up your micro SD cards is different as well. Whereas in white, you load it up from the side, and with this one you load it up from the same bay where the battery is. Now this is interesting, I haven't seen this being mentioned anywhere. The black version comes with the HDMI output, and this is on the side where you charge your with your USB, whereas this one doesn't have that option. I mean, this one, the black one, has a yellowish shade, whereas the white one has a cool shade. So the screens are different. Yeah, heavier. I've actually been having more trouble connecting to this compared to that. This felt seamless when I was loading it up, so it took me 10 minutes to get in. This actually gave me trouble. So the first time I loaded it up, I had to reset everything, go back to the default, basically reset everything. It'll be simpler when I update. So I'm doing a factory reset. Alright, I'm going to restart my camera. Really restart it this time by taking the battery off. Alright, so the good things that stands out between these two products. Supports 4K, doesn't. Both of them supports voice commands. Both of them supports touchscreen. The black one supports live streaming. The black one supports hyperlapse. So these two are the most premium products in the market, but the software still feels buggy. The connection drops when you're transferring movies and images. The price is prohibitive. This is very expensive. I mean, it's about £320 in GBP, so that is $400 in USD, which is really expensive. You can probably buy 8 of Chinese products compared to this. Probably exaggeration, probably 6. But anyway, point being, this doesn't feel like a £320 product. The battery life sucks. I mean, I did half an hour of footage, and the battery price dropped considerably. So I only had around 30% battery left after half an hour's footage. It really is bad. Can we do the GoPro comparison here? No? It's an excellent location. Yeah, you're worried that I'll be sucked into the engine?